Faraz.
Hey, hi.
Tell everyone what we have built today.
We have just built a website vulnerability tester. You
Yes.
can just come, you can just put your website and you can check how vulnerable your website is. So you can just come to a Securovix and I can just type securovix.com. They will be in a header scan web. Just go to there, log in as a Google, log in, create your ID.
Yeah.
If you want to, just log in it, and it's a free service. Just come there. They will be like new scan and code scan. Go to new scan. Just type your website. It will give you how much vulnerable your website is. If you were showing the report you're vulnerable, just go to take your code, put it in the code scan, codes of your source code in that, and it will then it will see how many vulnerable codes there are. It will give you automated generated codes with the updated one. Like it will correct your code, then you can download from there. That's what we built it today. Now I'm going to show you how it's worked. Guys, now you have to come to Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using. Just go to Securovix. Securovix, you can see. Just enter it and you can find a scan web in the header of the Securovix. Just go to there. You will see another page will open. You can create an account or you can sign in from a Google directly. So I'm just signing in from my Securovix and it will open like this. So you have a dashboard, you have a new scan, you have a code scan, and in setting you can put the different APIs you can use it, like Anthropic Cloud API for Opus 4.7, OpenAI GPT-5, Google Gemini 2.4 Pro, and Zipu ZLM 4 Plus. So they will be like red team and blue team. It will choose according to the powerful of the TP, and you can choose your model according to yourself. And there's a different type of model you can choose. And you can, if you want to, there's nothing, you can go to the custom model and you can choose the custom model. Just apply a model name. Kind of Opus 4.7, Opus 4.6, GPT-4o, GPT-4 mini, GPT 5.5. It's up to you guys. Just go, then after that just come to new scan. Just we are scanning a demo website. Then you can choose a retry present, like fast, free, default, and subscription. So different type of, you can choose a retry present. Just continue. If you want to just want to have a scan for the website, then don't choose this one. If you want to overwrite your exploit your you can say login page, so you can use you can just select form login API keys. You can attack your API key. You can attack HTTP basics, and you can focus URL. You can just say I want to attack in APIs of mine. I want to attack in admin panel of mine. So you can choose our once you chosen, it will then continue. Once you continue, you have another option. So it's like that. Now we have only one Anthropic Cloud for Opus 4.7. It will work for only for one API. If you want to choose different model, if you want to have 4 different models, you can choose that, and it will run as a different two red team, 2 blue team. Then it will 2 team will be exploit your website, 2 team will defense your website, and will give you a report on the end. So I'm just not choosing this one because I only have one Anthropic Cloud AI. Just launch the scan, then it will start launching the scan. Then you can see the visual of they are talking to each other. Just say there's a you can say HTTP recon is going, and it's talking to different things, it's going to pre-recon, then will go to a deep recon, then it will go to red team will go send the things, exploit things to blue team will send how I will defense that, then it will start doing that, then will be exploit verify, attack chains, war room will be they will fight with each other, they will talk to each other, then they will come to a conclusion. Then it will generate the report, and it will do a forensic report also for you. So once you completed the things, you will see the report in dashboard or in the side of your panel in the sidebar. There's a written of pass gate scan, so you can see over there. So after the scanning, you will see this the report, how much critical vulnerable your website is. If it's a 0, it's very vulnerable. If it's 100, your website is very strong and there is no security vulnerabilities in website. So as you can see, top findings: anyone can do SQL injection, cross-site scripting, authentication bypass, authorization bypass, business logic, and different kind of attacks. And this is the findings. What happens? You can see. And exploit, they will see how many. It will write the whole report for you, so you can read it out where the exploit was, how the exploit did, the attackers did it, from our website. And this is SQL, XSS, a lot of things, different attacks, how many attacks this red team has done. And you can see the red team and blue team. This is 8 times blue team wanted to defense it, so 8 thing had to defense it. So this is a red team report, what they was trying to do. And this is a blue team report. You can see the whole read. You can root cause analysis they had did, mitigation they had telling whatever the thing they had did it. Then this is attack chain. This is the recon attack chain the whole system uses. Like they start from recon, then SQL, XSS, auth bypass, SSRF, business logic, misconfig, and info disclosure. Then it will go to data loss, account takeover, or privilege escalations. And this is the artifacts of that. You can see the whole full report in here. This is the artifact main report of your whole system. Then you can see criticals, high, medium, and you can see here how it was, and you can like check. You can come to code scan. Just come to code scan. Once you come to code scan, upload any zip file, your source code zip file. Just say I'm uploading this one. I uploaded it. Now start scanning. Scan 75 files. Once you find the vulnerabilities, then you can come to code scan. Just if you want to scan your code only one file, you can come here and you can scan it. And if you want to do multiple files, you can come and you can scan it for multiple your source code. Just give an example. So this is a sample file. Then you can start a war room scan. This is how it will work. The red team will start attacking. It will first go to another his partner. It's an employee kind of. So both will talk to each other. Then it will start attacking your website code and all. Then it will go to blue team. It will share the details of your attacks to blue team. Then blue team start doing how to defense your website or defense your code in that. Then after that, once the scan is completed, it will generate a new code for you and you can download it for yourself. And you can scroll down and you can see live transaction of the red team and the blue team, like exploiter team and the defender team. And so you can see what they are talking in here. Whatever they are talking, you can see like this, and you can stop them and you can see what they are talking, and you can zoom out, zoom in, you want to see. So after the scan, you can scroll down, you can see the whole live transaction of that, and you can, once it's done, so you can see the findings. It will finding the reports and the findings. Okay, 20 red flags finding is in that code. Then it's the blue team told about the patches, what the patches need to be in there. Then this is the fixed code, how the code it will be fixed by automated by our engine or the AI. And you can copy, you can apply or to editor, or you can download the fixed files whole properly one time, and you can see the full report in here about your code, what was there vulnerable, what was not there, so how they started talking to each other, red and blue team, how they fixed it. This is your whole thing. And that's how you can come to this site, you can download your go for the vulnerability test, scan your code scan. Once you download your code scan is done, you can download it. You can just removing the Cybersecurity Expert from your life. It's very simple and very easy to understand and to run it. If you want to grow your business with Securovix, just comment Securovix. We will get back to you. Thank you.